Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cut and trim a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app. Next, tap on the New Project button at the top of the screen. Now, select the video you want to edit from your gallery. After selecting the video, tap the Add button. Your video will now appear on the timeline, ready for editing. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now, move the timeline cursor to the exact point where you want to cut the video. Once the cursor is in the correct position, tap on the split option. CapCut will instantly divide your video into two separate clips. If you want to remove a section of the video, simply tap on the clip you don't need and then tap the delete button. To trim the beginning or end of the video, tap on the clip and drag either edge inward until you reach the desired length. You can repeat these steps as many times as needed to cut and trim different parts of your video. Preview your edited video to make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.